Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. Today, I'm going to help you order food in English without fear. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just want to practice, knowing how to order food confidently is a must-have skill. So, let's go through the steps and phrases you'll need for a smooth restaurant experience. When you enter a restaurant, start with a friendly greeting like, "Hello" or "Good evening." Then, ask for a table by saying, "Can I have a table for two, please?" Or, "We'd like a table for four." If the restaurant is busy, you might hear, "Do you have a reservation?" If you don't, simply respond, "No, we don't have a reservation. Is there a table available?" Once you're seated, you can ask for the menu by saying, "Can I have a menu, please?" Or, "Could we see the menu?" If the restaurant has different menus for drinks or desserts, don't hesitate to ask for them too. For example, "Do you have a drinks menu?" Or, "Can I see the dessert menu?" Now, let's talk about how to order. Start with the phrase, "I would like," or "Can I have?" For example, "I would like a cheeseburger, please," or "Can I have a bowl of soup?" If you're not sure about the options, you can ask, "What do you recommend?" Or, "What's the special today?" If you want to make changes to your order, you can say, "Can I have it without onions?" Or, "Can I get it with extra cheese?" These small adjustments are totally fine to ask for. If you don't understand something on the menu, don't worry. You can ask, "What is this dish?" Or, "How is this cooked?" If you have dietary restrictions, say, "Is this gluten-free?" Or, "Does this have any nuts?" The staff is there to help, so feel free to ask anything that will make your experience more enjoyable. After you order your main course, you might want to ask for a drink. Use phrases like, "Can I have a glass of water?" Or, "I'd like a soda, please." If you're in the mood for something sweet, say, "Can I see the dessert menu?" Or, "What desserts do you have?" To make a request for something specific, say, "I'll have a slice of chocolate cake, please." Once you're done with your meal and ready to pay, you can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or simply, "Check, please." If you're in a country where tipping is common, you can ask, "Is the tip included?" Or say, "I'd like to add a tip, please." Make sure to be polite and thank the waiter by saying, "Thank you for your service." And that's it. With these simple steps and phrases, you'll be able to order food in English without fear. Just remember to practice, and don't worry if you make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. So, the next time you go to a restaurant, try using these phrases. "Can I have a table for two, please? I would like a pasta, please." Or, "Can I have the bill, please?" You'll be surprised at how much more confident you feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more English tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy dining!